Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch with the touch bar space gray color. So without any further ado, let's jump into the box and have a look at it, what you get it and what are the specifications that I have got it. So here is the picture that you guys can see. Here it shows that it has a touch bar, and over here as it says MacBook Pro branding. Over this side Apple logo, same MacBook Pro branding, that's it. So over here, let's turn it, let's have a look, and you can pause it and have a look at the specification that I have got. So let me just read it for you. So you get it is 15.4 inch diagonally Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. So I have got the 22.2 gigahertz 6-core Intel Core i7 with 9 MB shared LT3 turbo boost up to 4.1 gigahertz, and I have got a 16 GB of 2400 DDR4 RAM, 256 GB of SSD, and a Radeon Pro 555X with 4 GB of DDR5 memory. You have got an Intel UHD graphics 630 and have 4 Thunderbolt USB 3 port, USB-C ports. So that's it. Now on the other side you have got a headphone jack, stereo speakers, touch bar and touch ID, which we'll have a look at in a second. The backlit keyboard with an ambient light sensor, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, FaceTime, HD camera, pre-installed Mac OS, and that's all guys. So there it is, as it says MacBook Pro 15-inch. So now let's have a look at what you get inside the box. So this is a big and a heavy box, and this is the second most expensive thing I'm unboxing on my channel. So the first was the Sony A7 Mark III. So here is the Apple MacBook Pro, as you guys can see. It's packed. Let me keep this aside and let's look what else you get in the box. So over here you get the type C to type C charging cable. Here is the book. Let's see what all you get over here. So here you get a MacBook Pro startup guide and 2 stickers of Mac Apple, and that's all guys. That's what you get over here. And over here, sorry, Apple should pull tab over here also in this, but it was upside down, I don't know why. So here is the charging brick. Let's open it and see what is it and what is the voltage that you get. So here is the power brick. Here is a charging port input, and this is how it goes. So here, as it says, 87 watts. That's the highest, I think the biggest brick that Apple supports or makes right now. That's all for the what you get inside, nothing else. Now let's keep this aside and have a look at the main laptop or the product. So Apple never fails to present you the best way and gives you the best unboxing feeling out of all the brands or the laptop or the mobile brands. So this is pretty heavy, but it's pretty thin. It's solid rock, and here is your new logo that you get over here. It doesn't have a light inside it, and as they have changed it 3 years back in 2016 model, I think. After that they have stopped making it, and they are putting it a normal shiny glossy Apple logo in it. Over here you get the 2 type C ports, and same over here on this side with a 3.5 headphone jack, as you guys can see. That's all. On the back, here are the air vents on the 3 sides, as you guys can see over here inside. I don't know. And here are the 4 legs that you get, and the build quality is amazing as always from the Apple. So now let's open it. So it's really very nice. It doesn't move or it doesn't vibrates or slides on your table as you open it just with your finger. As you just saw it didn't move at all. That's really nice. Now as it's starting up, you guys can see the Apple logo and it's loading. The touch bar got activated right now. So over here I've already switched it on. So this is the Apple Mojave or Mojave, whatever you want to pronounce or say it according to you. So this is it, and this is how it looks. So let me just show it to you. Over here it is. This is the touch bar, as you guys can see. For the brightness, this is for the keyboard lighting. As you guys can see, I'm doing it just from here. It has got play buttons and pause, and that's it. Then here you have got the Hey Siri function over here, and this is a touch ID. And here is the trackpad. This is the biggest trackpad I've ever seen in a laptop. I'll show you and represent you with how it looks. So this is my Pixel 1. So that's the size. It's bigger than even a Pixel. Damn it guys, that's big. That's huge actually, not even big. So it looks really amazing. Retina display. We have got the speaker grills over here on both the sides, which is really very nice, and the voice is really clear and amazing. I really like it, and I'm looking forward to use it in my daily driving and editing YouTube videos and my photos, which will be on my Instagram. If you have still haven't looked at it or haven't followed me, go guys and follow. The link will be in the description down below. So that's all guys for the unboxing and the overview of the MacBook Pro 15-inch with touch bar. See you guys in the next video. Peace.